Hello MC babes, it's time for a new pattern. In today's video, we are sewing a drawstring skirt. The Bimini pattern is ready to download at the link below and is available in sizes extra small to XXL. Before we start, follow Mango & Coast on Instagram for new pattern updates, promos, and giveaways. A bunch of new styles are launching very soon, so keep an eye out on IG. Let's get right into it. So first off, cut the pattern pieces horizontally in the direction of the greater stretch. You will place the pattern pieces on the fold of the fabric, like so, and proceed to cutting the pieces. So to keep my pattern pieces in place, I'm using the cutest pattern weights courtesy of Foxglove & Field. How adorable are these? If you need pattern weights, check them out. The link is in the description box. Now I have all my pattern pieces ready. Keep in mind that you will need a loop turner and a 1/4 inch rubber elastic. So first step, I will be serging all 4 sides of the skirt. If you don't have a serger, you can simply skip this step as swimwear fabric does not fray. After serging all 4 sides, you will fold down the top of the skirt using a hem of 3/4 of an inch. For this step, you will use a zigzag stitch on your regular sewing machine. So to be more clear, here is a sample that I previously made. You can see the placement of the zigzag stitch on the hem. Now it's time to hem the bottom of the skirt. You will fold over the bottom using 1/2 inch of a hem. Next, place the right side of the fabric facing up and fold the skirt in half. Using 5/8 inch as seam allowance, stitch both sides together. For this step, you will use a straight stitch. Fold both sides down like so and stitch each side using a straight stitch. For this step, be mindful to not stitch onto the back of the skirt. Now that the skirt is done, we will move on to the strap. Fold the strap lengthwise in half and pin. Before moving on to the serger, base stitch the strap using a 1/4 inch seam allowance on your regular sewing machine. This will keep the strap together in place. Set your elastic foot to 0 tension, then apply the elastic onto the strap. If you don't have a serger, simply sew a zigzag stitch onto the strap. After this step, sew the elastic on. Using a loop turner, turn the strap inside out. And for the last step, it's time to pull the strap into the strap channels. And there we have it. The Bimini skirt is done. If you want to see more tutorials like this, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Happy sewing!